Now let's learn how to use your apps in split screen mode. We can use two applications in same screen. Let's learn how to do this. First, I open some applications. After, click on your mobile recent key option. Now you can see your all applications here. Select your application and click on this ball icon on your app top area. After, click on this open in split screen view option. Now you can see our first app is appear on our mobile top area. In here, you can select your secondary application. Now I select gallery. In this method, you can use two applications on same screen. You can adjust the size like this. This is one method for open split screen mode. Now I will show you second method. Go to your mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. In here, go to multi-window option. Now in here, you can enable this swap for split screen option. You can see the preview in here. You want to swap up two fingers from the bottom of the screen like this. Now I enable this feature. After, you can enable split screen mode like this. This is second method to use your split screen mode. I think the split screen mode is very helpful to doing your multitasking works.